Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, this wig is from Reshine Hair. Reshine went ahead and sent me their 4x4 HD lace closure wig. It is in 250 density, 30 inches, and the pattern is a loose deep wave. I'm in love with this pattern. It's 30 inches, super long, and it's actually really nice and weightless. I'm not having that whole weighed down experience that I would have with certain 250 density wigs. This is perfect for the summertime or even the springtime. We're in that right now. So don't forget to go ahead and check out the description box below if you'd like to purchase off rip. I would highly recommend. This unit is a go. The hair is really nice and soft. Do not forget to use my discount code Danielle15 for some monies off your order, because I'm always here for a good deal, okay? And that discount is going to give you a good sum of money off. This wig is actually super duper affordable. So again, definitely do not forget to go ahead and check out the links. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys how easy it was to install this glueless wig from Reshine Hair. finished look. This wig is from Reshine Hair, and they decided to send me a 250 density 4x4 HD lace closure unit. This is what it looks like. It is in 30 inches. So if I move back just a tad, you can see like where the hair stops at, and I'm currently on my tippy toe. So let me just go ahead and scoot on down. But this is the hair. I'm loving it. I'm in love with this loose deep wave pattern. It is everything. If you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box below. And do not forget to use my discount code Danielle15 for some monies off your purchase. It's definitely worth the price. It is actually really affordable for this 30-inch 250 density. I'm loving the quality of this wig. The waves, the pattern is everything in this loose deep wave. So I would highly recommend you purchasing this hair. This is perfect for a vacation, because you know, if you want to drag this off real quick, you can, because it is 100% glueless. Also, no glue needed. So this is just a really versatile and handy wig to have in these summer times when you want to wear some nice long curly hair, but you don't want the commitment to keep it on for long. This is the perfect look for you. It's definitely giving the frontal look without the frontal price, and like the whole frontal experience. A closure is just way easier. So thank you again so much to Reshine for sending me this gorgeous wig. I am super duper in love with it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.